Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro. So to do this, we have to put both earbuds inside this charging case, the left and the right one. And right now we have to click and hold this button at the bottom for 10 seconds. So let's do this right now and take a look for this indicator. Currently it's blinking white. It means that we are in the pairing mode, but after a few moments it will change a little bit. As you can see, we got solid white light. We have to keep holding, and right now we can release when it starts blinking another time. So take a look. Right now when I try to get them out of this case and connect them back by using the standard Bluetooth settings, I will get the new pairing request. So that's the way how to perform the hard reset of the Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro. Of course, before performing the hard reset, you have to remember to charge your case and earbuds at least to the 50%. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.